Hi everyone, it's Adrian from Lightmaker, and I've got John from Exclusive Escapes in Australia. We just wanted to, it's kind of dry doing these videos of why people came with us and all the other bits and pieces. So I just thought it would be nice if John and I just had a chat and you just saw what it is or the thinking behind why we're doing business together. So I guess, John, my first question would be, why did you choose Lightmaker and how has it been?
Well, Adrian, we spent a lot of time researching a change in our PMS system, given that Expedia purchased our local provider, and we were given a timeline to move on to another platform. We were unhappy with the option that was provided to us, and after extensive research and narrowing down to a short list of 5 and then finally down to 3, we took a leap of faith with LMPM, given what we saw and where we thought the program was going to be heading in the future, and we're very pleased we did.
Oh, that's brilliant. I really, really appreciate that. If there was just a couple of things, John, that you could highlight with regard to the benefits of LMPM over your previous system, which was YesBookIt, what would you say they are?
Yeah, absolutely. There are a few standout features that we decided upon to go with LMPM. One was the end-of-month processing and trust accounting is very strong and very quick, very easy to use, and essentially self-healing. It picks up any errors or omissions that may have happened during the month in our bookings or commercial team, which is highly beneficial. The general ledger accounts and the general way that it presents bookings and fees and the distribution of those to the correct party, be it owners or our operating company itself, is certainly well ahead of the competition in our view. And also the simplicity and speed of adding and deleting properties and making changes is also highly beneficial for us as an operating business. And also the channel connection to our major OTAs is also seamless and easy.
Brilliant. One of the things that John also did with his team is we developed a unique look and feel with John's design agency here. And John is actually going to be one of our first clients on the new LMPM version 4 as well. So we're really looking forward to doing that with John. But how would you say the efficiency of everything kind of working together, from LMPM to the website to the processing to the owner statements to the owner app, like why is that important for you? And if there's any features that I've forgotten there, what would you say?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, we're a small team here in the beautiful southwest Margaret River in Western Australia, and efficiency and productivity is key for us, and also ease of use for our guests to make bookings, change bookings, and pick up additional products or fees.
Yeah.
The full integration of the website to the app in terms of the admin app makes that easy for us. And one of the key decisions really for us was not having a widget or an insertion in the guest booking area and the checkout area. Made it all seamless for the guest and for us. We could see in real time what they were choosing, and they could see in real time what it was costing them, and they could pretty much take their own booking and move from there through to a confirmation. And then with the automated email process and the embedded payment portal, life's easy for us.
That's just brilliant. Can I just finish on one of the features that we feel is one of our strongest suits, which is the trip manager. How would you say your team have used that, and how has that benefited you and your clients in terms of just simplifying how to book a guest, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera?
Yeah, absolutely. That's a good point. So the ability to add multiple options, or as many options as you like, different properties for the same date format, same dates, allows the guest to pick and choose and book directly from an email that's generated from our bookings team. And the simple process is that once they choose an option, it comes through and they pretty much pop their credit card details in and the booking's done, and it's all automated in our end. That's a game changer for us in having only one email going out with all the availability rather than multiple choices on multiple emails. Brilliant.
Well, listen, I wanted to keep this short, so I just want to say thank you so much, John, for one, being a client, two, helping us develop the product for the Australian market. There was definitely some nuances there that we were not aware of before, and we really appreciate working with you through that and to attack the Australian market. I'm really looking forward to doing that with you. It's going to be really fun.
Yeah, thanks, Adrian. And you and your team have done a fantastic job, and we always enjoy having a chat. And you're always very responsive when we have little bits and pieces that we see could be improvements. Thanks again.
Love you. Thank you so much. Cheers, John. Bye.
Thanks, Adrian. Take care. Bye.